Park connectors are vibrant and dynamic linear open spaces which bring together various natural spaces and urban developments. Singapore's urban areas in 1960s were well integrated with nature. People used to walk on streets and still remain connected with nature. But over the years, this phenomenon changed and subtle urban areas were replaced with massive HDB blocks which detach people from existing nature around them. In the last decade, Singapore embarked upon the implementation of an island-wide network of the greenways with the vision of linking parks and nature areas by capitalizing on existing drainage culverts and river systems. Runs along Bishan Drainage Canal with wide green buffer and segregated from rest of the development. It consists of a diverse species of flora and fauna which add to natural beauty of the region. The Kallang Park connector runs along Kallang River, connecting Bishan Park to Kallang Riverside Park. It takes users to Bishan, Toa Payoh, Potong Pasir, Serangoon and Kallang. Park users can enjoy the lush greenery at Kolam Air waterfront, which is part of this park connector.
Anh béo kẹt vậy cái tô hầm khang cái tô bao lấy cái nó nhớ ra sợ cái gì đấy sao? Bố ra anh kêu lại theo là
他们
没有，你是啊，他会来。
哦，很漂亮的，很远的。要到分种还是
很多种的，莫名其妙很多种的。
有虾子还是什么？
没有这样的看起。
但是有。那从那边都跑到其他地方？
没有。
Bukit Gombak Park Connector links Little Gilin to rest of the city. It is an asset for the local residents as being well integrated with the public transport, they are able to utilize this connector for their daily activities. Some of the connectors have biodiversity and nature, which actually help people come near to nature. But some are artificial, which does not make people feel part of it, but just another sidewalk with more space. Greenways, with their multifunctional capacity, have great potential in the areas of recreation, nature conservation, education, and community bonding. The proximity of greenways to a wide variety of urban and natural environments, and their inherent function to link them, present further opportunities for the diversification and improvement of the greenways network concept.